Production Manager ng SB19 simula at wakas na si Miss B. Casilan nagbigay ng kanyang mensahe matapos ang successful na nasabing world tour. Mula sa kanyang Instagram post, sinabi niya na it's just hit me now that we're officially done with the Soul Tour. 21 cities later, here we are. I'm incredibly grateful for this opportunity. Thank you, Onesie Entertainment.ph, for trusting me and giving me this experience. I'm so thankful for the boys of at official SB19. I'm MC at Josh Cullen, at Philip Superior, at Stel6, at The Joss. Getting to know them beyond the stage made me admire them even more. Not just as artists, but as people. They are some of the greatest artists I've worked with, and I'll always support them. Grateful as well for everyone I worked with throughout the tour, the Enter Onesie crew, the show team, our producers and promoters. Sobrang hanga ako sa inyo. The hard work, dedication, and teamwork made everything possible. There were so many learnings and challenges along the way, but every experience pushed me to grow. I met so many different people, learned new perspectives, and came out of this tour with so much gratitude. Pasensya na at biglang nagdrama, talagang ngayon lang nagsisink in lahat. Hindi pa tayo tapos, may isang laban pa. See you all very soon. Signing off as your Soul Tour Production Manager. Sa sinabi nga po ni Miss B, ang homecoming simula at wakas world tour dito sa Pilipinas na nga ba ang kanyang sinasabi na may isa pa? Well, mukhang ito na nga ang aabangan ng mga fans. Grabe naman, nakakahanga talaga ang SB19 kahit nga si Miss B ay sobrang bumilib sa grupo. At sabi nga natin, paulit-ulit nating ina-update ang nasabi nga pong world-class talent ng SB19 na hindi na nga po Pinoy ang mga nagsabi niyan, kundi ibang lahi na. Isa sa mga matinding fans ng SB19 ay ang mga Taiwanese na ayon nga sa mga Pinoy fans ay makakalaban nila sa pagbili ng ticket sa nalalapit na homecoming concert ng SB19. Well, ano sa inyo about sa ating update na ito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.